Does money make us happy? The debate has raged for certainly as long as I can remember, and probably earlier than that. Some studies say no altogether. Other studies put a specific number on when money no longer contributes to happiness, but even those vary greatly. 20,000 a year, 50,000 a year, 75,000 a year. To add more confusion, you can find other studies that report there is, in fact, no limit to the amount of happiness money can bring you. Confusing results, to say the least. Regardless of which study you choose to believe or want to believe, one thing is for sure. Money might not make you happy, but as Zig Ziglar once said, everybody wants to find out for themselves. And that is where I think the greatest distraction to our well-being lives. Not in how much money you have, but in how much you desire it. Because regardless of how much money contributes to happiness, and the jury is apparently still out on that, the one thing we do know is this, that prioritizing the pursuit of money never contributes to overall happiness and life satisfaction. In fact, those who prioritize money over the pursuit of more values-based goals end life with less satisfaction and less fulfillment. This ought to be a major personal concern to each of us, considering how often we prioritize money over other things, often because we believe it will contribute to our happiness and life satisfaction. According to one recent study, 79% of Americans believe they will be happier if they had more money. And as a result, as you might imagine, 70% of Americans also say that their desire for money influences their daily decisions. If our starting belief is that more money will increase our happiness, it would make perfect sense that we would strategize our days and actions on how to acquire more of it. But in a recent study, the one that is my favorite, of 100,000 people, it was published in the Harvard Business Review, Ashley Willens points out that people who prioritize time over money have a better quality of life. And this higher quality of life shows up in almost every regard: more fulfilling social relationships, more satisfying careers, more joy, and higher rates of general satisfaction. I'll put a link to that study in the description below because it really is an important one. Now, of course, there are many in the world who do need more money for legitimate survival. But most likely, if you're being honest, you already make enough to provide for your needs. Probably even more than enough. Certainly, 79% of us don't need more money for survival. We're prioritizing it because we think it will make us happier. But when money takes priority over other more life-giving pursuits, not only does it not contribute to our happiness, it distracts us from it. And that is why the belief that more money will make us happier is so dangerous. It may be the very pursuit keeping us from happiness.